All right, I love this. This is really straightforward. We've got a bunch of parallel lines, and we are told that PQ, let's just mark them in blue, PQ is the same length as QR, which is the same length as RS. What we know is that we've got a transversal line and it's being split into equal segments. That means that these lines, these parallel lines are all evenly spaced apart, and any transversal that cuts through them is going to be cut into equal segments as well. Equal segments where they're cut, because if it's a line that goes on forever, the parts that aren't cut into segments obviously aren't going to be the same length. But yeah, so let me just erase that line. You get the idea there. And now what can we do with this? Let's see. TU, we want to know what is the length of TU. This whole length right here. Okay. Well, what we got to figure out is how many equal segments is it being cut into. So I'm going to slice it with green. This to here, that's equal to 3. And then here to here, that must also be 3. And here to here, that must also be 3. So there's 3 segments of 3 each. And so what we can say is that TU is going to be 3 times 3, or 9. Okay? Likewise, let's slice, hang on a second. Now for 20, they're asking for XV. Where is XV? XV is, let's do it in red. XV is right here. And what segment is that congruent to? It's congruent to that segment. And that segment is 2.25, so this one must be equal to 2.25 as well. What about YX? Well, that's another one of those segments. So get that out of there. Sorry, not sure what's going on. Equals 2.25. This segment here, same, going to be equal to 2.25. And YV, where's that? That is the 2 segments together. 2.25 and 2.25 is 4.5. Pretty easy ones, right? You just got to figure out what one length is and figure out how many lengths you're talking about. Yeah, so there you go.